What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Kakatapos lang ng Philippines versus Chinese Taipei. This is the third window
Yep.
na for at least this is the first time you have lost to Chinese Taipei since 2013. And
Yep.
what an experience. 100 we last won 106 to 53, but that's a completely different Chinese Taipei team. I believe dalawa lang ata yung
I
players
mean,
na
that's the
naglaro nung
time
time
yung
na yun.
Quincy Davis ata yung ano.
Yung
Quincy Davis.
2013, oh, Quincy Davis years pa. But
Oh,
oh,
yeah.
feel free to start, Mario.
Let's just get this started, man. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I don't really wanna go through all the whatever or whatever,
Dapat nakita
man.
yung group chat namin. Oh, yung group chat meaning kami dalawa lang. So, DMs.
Yeah. In group chat.
Group chat,
PM.
kami dalawa lang. PM pala,
Group
PM
chat
pala. Kami
namin
dalawa
ano
lang
lang.
naman.
So, balik kami dalawa lang. So, let's start off with this. Let's start off with this. Justin Brownlee, right? My gosh. Let's start off with the positives. Let's start off with the
Positive
positives.
muna. Sandwich method tayo.
Positive tayo.
Sandwich method tayo.
Positive tayo. Justin Brownlee is the best import the Philippines has ever had. I have no problem saying that. I understand that possibly Jordan Clarkson and Andre Blatch are more skilled in terms of skill, ha. But
Mm-mm.
in terms of yung achievement na nagagawa ng um, ni Justin Brownlee, plus how much load I genuinely believe na dinadala niya for these teams. I truly believe he's the best import that Gilas has had in terms of fit, in terms of what they provided to the team, and in terms of how well they look. Okay,
Mm.
that counts in Brazil. That counts in going up against Latvia. That even goes to the Asian Games where he turned into he
Yung
turned
parang
into fucking
today. Pero talo
yeah, he
lang.
turned into
Panalo lang
today,
last time.
right?
Panalo lang
Yeah,
last
but
time.
the difference is the difference is so many things, right? And
Mm.
there's the negatives. First of all, man, name me a shooter in the Gilas lineup outside of Justin Brownlee.
Wala, bro. I mean, it's just Dwight Ramos was doing his best as a scorer, but he's not a shooter. It should have been Calvin Oftana.
Oh
But
man, don't get
you
started, man.
know, yun naman na Calvin lately has been not lately. Whenever he dons the Gilas jersey,
Yeah.
he underperforms. May data
Yes,
yan. Hindi kami
yes.
hater. May data yan.
May data yan na proven na once Calvin Oftana wears a Philippine jersey, he cannot shoot as well as he does in the PBA. But I can guarantee you, once we get to the PBA
He's back to Calvin
semifinals,
Oftana.
that man is gonna cook Hinebra by hitting like seven threes in a row. I don't know what it is. It could be whatever. It could be whatever it is. But he has struggled on the international stage, and I will say it. I truly believe maybe it's time we look a bit away from Calvin Oftana at this point. Okay, he is a
We should
long defense.
explore that. We should
Yeah,
explore.
hear me out. You guys can grill me or whatever. I don't give a shit. Um, he- he's long, he's lanky as a defender, but he commits too many fouls. Kita yan today, okay? Second, he has a really hard time shooting the ball in the international stage. I can't really name a time where Calvin Oftana had a good shooting game in a Gilas jersey recently, maybe in the past 5, 10 years. 5 years, okay?
I don't remember as well. Let us know in the comments kung meron man.
Yeah, I understand naman that Calvin Oftana is the best shooter in the PBA when we're in the PBA. Okay, gets ko yun. But when we're not, he does struggle. Okay? I'm not just singling out Calvin Oftana. I don't think anybody on Gilas can shoot the basketball except for Justin Brownlee and Dwight Ramos to a certain
Dwight na,
extent.
to an extent. To a certain extent na yun.
Yeah. Like Scotty never really been the best shooter. Chris Newsom improved but never really been the best shooter. AJ Edu isn't hitting a three-pointer. Junior Fajardo isn't hitting a three-pointer. And the guys who I think you kind of wanted to start taking the next step in the Gilas program. Carl Tamayo and Kevin Kembao. Calling a spade, man. They haven't been looking that great. Today, Carl looked confused. I don't know what it was. Um,
Passive din. He was passing out of shots. Di ba? May turnover,
it's
natitira dapat siya.
yeah,
Binigay. So, oh, tira mo na yan.
it's not even just that. It's just like I don't know. Um, I want to give full props muna to the Chinese Taipei team. I mean, like, wait lang, sorry, I'm feeling it. I,
Nakabawi talaga
I
sila dun sa 53-point
the
loss for
Chinese
sure.
Taipei team,
Bawi,
guys,
ano.
is a good team. Let's not get it wrong. That guy Gadiaga plays for Japan. He's in the Japan B League, I mean.
Yeah,
So he's good,
feeling nga.
okay? Guys, hindi kinukuha yung mga tao sa B League for fun. Magaling yung mga taong ganyan. Na ini-import. Sorry. Magaling yung mga yan. Si Golbeck is a shot blocking rim protector. And the reality is we are, I think, the last remaining team in Asia whose offense is not three-point shot centric. Kasi Chinese Taipei is putting up 80,000 three-pointers in the game. The only time they're driving to the layup for a layup or a mid-range shot is when it's a wide open layup or mid-range shot,
Dagdag ko
right?
na sinabi mo, Mario, Chinese Taipei, 15 for 43 from 3. Tayo 10 for 21. Pero, let's take it with a grain of salt. No? 10 for 21 tayo, 8 kay Brownlee. Not
Yeah,
really. I mean, and
yeah.
medyo
And
anomaly yung 8 threes ni Brownlee. Imagine in a
saka,
normal game, hindi siya mag-8 threes.
none of those were wide open. I saw
Yeah,
more, but there
he
were
went God
maybe
mode. God mode si Brownlee
yeah,
today. God mode.
four of those were shots that were contested, shots that shouldn't probably go in unless you are literally a great shooter, which he is. And
Yes.
yeah, and again, ito yung problema right now. Gilas is one of the worst shooting teams, I think. Okay. Chinese Taipei has their shooters, okay, and it
They do.
doesn't help that today they all turned into Curry. Doesn't help.
And
Okay.
it's also home floor nila. All the more
Yeah,
nakadagdag rin.
obviously when it's like the whole when it's a home court thing, it'll be a completely different story, diba? But
Mm-mm.
yun nga, like I said, the problem right now with the Gilas roster is there's just really a lack of shooting. Yun lang talaga yun. But the reality is it doesn't really how many people can actually be replaced? How many people
Uh,
can you actually place who can actually shoot the ball better? Maybe Jordan,
and mga
uh,
shooters na, we have Heading, we have
Head
Matthew Wright.
Matthew. Yeah, I mean, those are but then at the end of the day, wala pa rin tayong specialist na three-point shooters now. R.
In
Pogoy,
this
I think,
roster, wala.
yeah,
In
in this
this
roster,
roster,
yeah.
wala. Wala.
R. Pogoy and Marshall Astor, I think, were the best, were the last of the snipers of Gilas, and R. Pogoy is a stretch, and that when I say that. But Marshall Astor was the last of the main like really shooters talaga. And it's kind of hard to win games when you don't have that shooting ability. Yun lang talaga yun. Guys, three is bigger than two. Diba? Basic mathematics, kindergarten, elementary, alam nila yun. Three is larger than two. They shot way more threes, they made way more threes. That's how it works. You lost by 7 points, and in large part it was due to the fact that these guys weren't missing from three. Yun lang yun. And we're not gonna pretend like you guys have bad looks. CJ had some good open shots. Dwight had some open shots. Chris had some open shots. Just not really the shots that they are necessarily making. Second negative point. Ang rotation ni Coach Tim, I will be the first to say it. Ang nipis. I don't know if that's the right word. Could be the
Six
wrong word.
players, ito Mar, dagdag ko sa sinabi mo, I mean, to perfectly complement what you said, no? Only six players, one, two, three, four, five, six, played more than 10 minutes per game. Six
Yeah,
lang. The rest, 3 minutes, eight
yeah.
minutes, four
And
minutes.
that's not
So,
good. Like
ipis. Ano
that's not
talaga?
good.
Anim.
I think that's also half the reason why medyo nahirapan si Carl Tamayo finding his rhythm, right? Because of yun nga like what was said. He only played 4 minutes. I think he
Four
only played
minutes and 47 nakalagay
yeah, but
dito.
in those
Yeah.
4 minutes he struggled. I think that's why. Pero
Two rebounds, two assists.
ang nipis. Um ang nipis, manipis talaga ang rotation ni Coach Tim. And that is a problem I think that will continue to arise if we do not fix that at some point. I understand why he did it. I understand na these were the only guys who were generally capable of playing today or whatever. Pero ang nipis, men. Ang nipis ng six players talaga. And yun, that's the second point. The third point. Okay, bash me. Sure, whatever. I don't give a flying whatever. June Fajardo, God bless his ability, is the best PBA player of all time in my
I don't think
opinion.
mababash ka dito kasi maraming iniisip to. Hindi lang malabas
Yeah.
publicly. But
Yeah,
it's
but I will
just
say it.
based
I
off
will say
facts.
it what
Based
I
off
said.
facts naman to eh.
He played bad today. Okay. I don't know how many points he had. I'm doing this based on the eyes, guys. I know Nico has the stats.
Mhm.
I'm just too worked up to look at the stats. I'm doing this based on what I see and what I think. He struggled today. And it's a common occurrence na rin. It's starting to kind of become a common occurrence. Defensively, he's slower talaga. Okay, yun lang talaga yun. He's shorter than Gilbeck and by a lot of centers. And yung heft na ginagamit niya, he's getting older, so that doesn't really work anymore. Okay? Like, I understand he's in the program because he is the best center, and I wouldn't replace him with any other center in the PBA right now, and that's just the straight fact for me. I'm not replacing him with any of them except maybe QMB, but he's not in the PBA. But then, like, he struggled today. Yes, he was able to find open players for the shots, but inside, I don't think he was making many shots either. How many points did he have? I'm so sorry.
Nine and five in 21 minutes. 9 points and 5 rebounds in 21 minutes. And
Five
alam naman
rebounds.
natin what Junmar can do, what he can
Yes.
do. Pero in the international stage, he's capped. That's why he's a backup of Kai, and he's forced to go somewhere na a role na
Yeah.
kailangan napilitan si Coach Tim. Wala tayong magagawa eh. Ito na yun.
Yeah. And again, we're not doing this. We're not saying this to bash on Junmar
Wala,
Fajardo.
it's just what we observed
Guys,
from the
this is
game.
just the dead
Observations.
ass reality. Na he's smaller, he's older, and he's a bit slower. So obviously,
Si
people will take
Gilbeck pa yung
advantage of
matchup
that.
niya, eh, no? Si Brandon Gilbeck.
Ang laki-laki ni Gilbeck eh. Pati nga
Lagi
si
ni
Edu,
Gilbeck,
hirap na
man.
hirap kay Gilbeck eh. Um, let's just insert a small positive before I continue with my negatives rant. Um, a small positive, AJ Edu, hey man.
Nice to see you back,
Nice
bro.
to
Nice to
see
see you
you
back.
again, man. Nice to see you again. There were some parts of the day where I wasn't feeling you, but the thing is, he's still, I think, one of the better players for our team. Um, a much improved free throw, huh? Much improved. Four swishes, and then the balls to take that mid-range shot down 2 points. I respect it, right? But um, also kind of a bit undersized to go against Gilbeck. I'm not sure. Um, so yeah, I don't really have many complaints in regard to Justin Brownlee and AJ Edu. And sige, sama natin si Scotty Thompson. I won't complain about him either. Or Chris. Pero again, there are just some certain lackings talaga with the roster. Um, w- when are we gonna start using Kevin Kiambao and Carl Tamayo as your main pieces, dude?
Yun nga eh, parang, hindi ko alam ano yung hesitation with KQ. Hindi ko alam yung hesitation with Carl na bakit ang short ng leash. And the
You
fact
played,
na medyo non-bearing game na to, if think about it, it's a
ah,
non-bearing game. So,
this is when you use
give them more
them.
run. Ito na yun.
Ah.
Give them more confidence.
Matatalo din
Heading,
naman pala kayo eh. Hindi gamitin nyo na si Carl pati si KQ. Di ba? Um,
but then
I,
again, who are we? Hindi naman tayo si
yeah,
Coach
who are
Tim.
we? We're not saying that they're
Personal lang
winning.
naman namin to. Personal lang
Yeah.
naman namin to.
But MVP yan, guys. MVP yung Kevin Kiambao na yan. Yung Carl Tamayo sa Changwon, pusang galamin. Medyo, no, first or second best player na nila yun. Na nila si Carl. Alam mo yun? I don't know what it is with the international stage right now. Na maybe KQ and Carl just aren't being used properly. And out of everybody on who's my stream? Out of everybody on the team, this is my like fourth or maybe my last point or whatever. Who can create their own shot? I just sometimes think nobody on this team can create their own shot except Justin, right? Um, the ball movement that we saw against Latvia, against Brazil, all of that is kind of taken away when you realize the fact na wala si Kai Soto. Okay, guys, Kai, now I hope people realize how important Kai Soto is to everything Gilas does. Offensively and defensively, he is the guy on both ends. Kasi on the offensive end, he's grabbing offensive rebounds. He is your threat at the rim and nakakapasa siya. On the defensive end, you can't tell me this guy is not turning away at least six of these shots from Chinese Taipei today. Okay? This is a depleted Gilas roster. Yung kinolap nyo ang Japit Aguilar pati Troy Rosario di makalaro eh.
Yeah, I think
Ano,
Troy nagka-injury si Troy,
Troy
di
got
ba? Or
injured.
something nagging.
Parang, yeah, yeah. He hindi mo siya na-injure, but he's been dealing with something like that, right?
Di ba
So,
kailangan, again, non-bearing nga, pero yeah.
and this is where I would love to bring in the conversation of why is our pool limited to 12 people plus Barangay Ginebra? Okay?
It's but the barangay pool
Yeah.
and
Again,
some of mainstays from
um,
before.
guys, Ginebra fan ako. Like, so I know how talented the team is, okay? Pero, there are so many players talaga in the PBA who None of these dudes are getting younger. Like, JB is almost 40. Is he not? If he's not already
Magpo-40 na
40?
siya, magpo-40 na siya by LA Olympics eh. Kung yun ang yun ang ultimate target, diba?
Yes.
2028 LA Olympics.
Good luck, man. Yeah, I mean, like, JB is almost 40. Chris Newsom is almost 30 some, 35, 36. Junmar is almost 35, 36. None of these dudes are getting any younger. But there are the talented people on in the PBA right now who I think can genuinely start gaining this experience. Ito yung nagagawa ng Chinese Taipei. Do any of those dudes look old?
Babata nga, babata
Ang
na nga nandiyan.
babata. Ang babata ng mga yan. So they're gaining the experience. Yung Galiaga, Gadiaga, whatever his name
Galing
is.
no, kanina lang ngayon ko lang
Yeah.
napanood siya in a live game na
Yeah.
ganito na whole game. So, galing nitong, and then I saw na Japan, bilig pala. Sabi ko, kaya pala.
Bilig siya, bilig siya.
Local player na
For
pala
not
siya.
much,
He's considered a
sino siya
local
play
player
for sa
already.
bilig?
Let me check. I searched kanina eh, Gadiaga. Mohamed Al-Bashir, Gadiaga.
Wow, China.
Uh, ito.
Shit.
Akita, Northern
Okay,
Happinets.
the Northern Happinets. Yeah, the
Northern
Northern Happinets.
Happinets.
Yeah. Oh, B1 pa yun, Japan B1 League.
B1, it's B1, di siya B2. Di siya
Japan
B2.
B1 pa yun. Like, isipin mo yun. Like, again, this is what, like, the reality is they're not getting any younger. Okay? Maybe it's time we start incorporating yung mga younger guys. Will Navarro, Arvin Tolentino, Xavier Rosero. I don't actually, I remember people saying
RJ
Xavier
to an extent, RJ can shoot. RJ can shoot it from deep to an extent. Na,
small.
kung maglalagay lang tayo ng shooter din na, kunyari, kung okay, ayaw nyo si Heading. Okay, fine.
Heading,
RJ
guys,
din.
heading,
Pero ito, inisip ko kasi compromise eh. Sabihin natin na ayaw nila kay Heading or wala siya sa plano. Eh di RJ, di ba? Like, pwede mo na
bata mo
i-try,
yun, coach. Oh,
i-incorporate. Bata naman ni coach. He can
bata
shoot
mo naman yun,
more than
coach.
the
Oh,
others na nasa roster. So,
yeah. So yeah, again, I'm so sorry if this sounded like a rant about Gilas Pilipinas. Obviously, Nico and I both are very much big fans of Gilas Pilipinas. We've been looking forward to this window because we just won our
pinaplano na
last
namin.
window.
Magre-record tayo ah. Magre-record tayo.
Planado na to. Like a cleared schedule. You guys, no, I don't really have much time anymore to do much of these things. Like Nico knows this. We've been trying to plan so many podcasts, but I just haven't been free. Like, but then when we talk about these things, you get quite disappointed. You get quite disappointed. You get quite let down. Kapal na mukha natin to say that. That because we're fans. We're not the players. Obviously, the players feel even worse than we do.
Yeah, for sure.
So, ayun, this is a team I'm not gonna say you were supposed to beat, but you sure as hell should have looked a lot better than you did. Your turnovers were bad. I forgot to mention that. Your
The
turnovers were
assists were only 18. We averaged 27 in the past
probably
games
only
under
18.
the Tim Cone era.
Yeah.
Ito yung lowest ever under Coach Tim Cone.
Ilang turnovers
Ano?
sila? 1,300 dating turnovers nila.
No naman, but the turnovers of the Philippines, we were at actually 17 turnovers to 18 assists. That's not Coach Tim Cone basketball. So medyo
Yeah,
makalat nga to talaga today.
pala
Makalat talaga
talaga.
today.
And I will say na there were some officiating things which I tend to
Pero
disagree.
medyo nitpick na yan eh. Medyo nitpick
Yeah.
na yan. We're just, yun yung mga tipong he said, she said.
Yeah.
Ito, but it is more, ito,
Because
lahat ng sinasabi natin, may numero.
exactly.
Kaya
Oh.
babalik na lang tayo sa stat bar.
And
Guys, 17
yeah.
turnovers. Hindi kami nagre-reklamo na wala tong
Yeah.
pinagbili yan, di ba? So, parang,
And I told Nico this even before Gilas made their run or while they were making their run. No way did they deserve to win this game. Okay.
yung
No
mga
chance.
early ng fourth to, no? Mga 8
Yeah.
minutes to go pa. Nararamdaman mo na parang, medyo
You don't
weird ah.
deserve to win this. If you won it, cool. But you did not deserve to win this. If you won this game, it would have merely been because of the fact that Justin Brownlee is superhuman.
Na Brownlee
Yun lang
sila.
yun.
Yun
Yun
lang
lang
yun.
yun. Yun lang yun. Everything else is, yo, the rest of this roster, yeesh. Or not yeesh, but like some of it's like yeesh. You know what I mean? So my closing thoughts are merely the same. Number one, against New Zealand, guys, if you straight up, straight down, whatever you want me to say it,
We
we
might
have
get
already advanced.
destroyed.
Okay, we have already advanced. Yun na lang sasabihin ko.
Advance na tayo, yeah. No bearing na.
So
Tibi.
these are no bearing games. So let's try. So actually, I have nothing else to say except for yun nga. These are
Ito. Can we try putting KQ and Carl at least 15 minutes a game?
yeah, like
Let's
guys,
get there.
you
I wanna
already lost
try.
the game you were supposed to win. Nobody's really expecting you to beat New Zealand in New Zealand's hometown. So let's maybe put in Carl Tamayo and Kevin Kimbao. You know, it
Si
would
Jamie,
really
wag muna. Medyo
oh,
ang
medyo
galing sa
hindi
injury.
oh,
Wag muna.
wag yung
What is
Alam ko
Jamie?
natin medyo Gilas mainstay na rin naman si Jamie.
Yeah,
Let's
let
maybe
him
put in
recover.
Carl and KQ a bit more. Let's have fun with that. Um, and let's just try to get out of New Zealand with some pride. Um, I don't think personally, call me negative, whatever. I don't think it will go as good as last time because this is New Zealand's home court. This is a
Gusto
Gilas team that
bumawi.
this is a Gilas team that is injured, and admittedly, this is a Gilas team that has already advanced. So why does it matter? Why
Mm.
does it matter, right? But ayun, that's a first closing point I want to make regarding that. And the second closing point I want to make is uh my hopes for Philippine basketball is that there is now a shift towards shooting na talaga. Uh, because man, you need to shoot the ball well at this day and age. Yes, you could be bigger. Medyo insane, no? Medyo nakakainis. Kasi yung times na medyo mas maliit tayo, pero mas shooter tayo. Yung time na
Question pala, as a neutral PBA fan, does Hinebra shoot a lot of threes? They shoot a lot of threes now, pero compared to the league average.
I actually don't remember. I'm not very
No,
um
from your observation, they shoot a lot of three. They have a lot of shooters. Stephen Holt can shoot from three. Justin
I
Brownlee
do
shoots from
think they
three.
shoot a lot. I think they do shoot a genuine amount, a good amount of it. But
Sometimes a
again,
personal talaga, eh, no?
it's how do you say this? It's the PBA. Eh.
Okay, so
I not,
iba rin eh. It's the
yeah,
PBA.
not to be
It's
rude
not
there.
FIBA.
Yeah, like okay, they can shoot 50 for 50 in the PBA, but all of a sudden you put on that blue jersey, only Justin Brownlee knows how to shoot the ball. Alam mo yung mga ganyan. This is what I continued. This is what I will say is that this is the annoying part, diba? When we were younger, when we were growing up, Gilas was only shooters, no bigs.
Oh yeah,
Diba?
sina Larry, Jimmy. I remember.
Only
I love that
shooters.
game.
Alapag, Ranidel,
Dribble drive, tika.
Forster,
Yeah, dribble drive, kick out.
yeah,
Panasher,
Jeff
open
Chan,
for
right?
three.
Exactly. All we
Jeff
had was
Chan.
shooting and no size. And all of a sudden, basketball has changed. Now it is now we are all bigs, no shooting, right? And the game has changed both ways. When we were small and could shoot, the game was dominated by big men, right? And now that we're big and can dominate in the paint, the game is dominated by shooting. We need to kind of match the times na talaga. We really need to match the times if you ask me. Personnel is a hard issue to deal with, but ayun nga, we're not really the healthiest team right now. I'm pretty sure JB is dealing with something injuries as well.
He was. Parang ko may iniinda siya nung, di ba? Kita
Yeah,
siya pinahinga ni Coach
iniinda
Tim
siya.
ng mga. Pero iba lang, di ba? Again, pinag-usapan natin sa previous podcast na whenever Justin Brownlee puts on the Pilipinas jersey, it's an extra buff. Plus 10.
Yeah. Hey man, uh just to end on like a positive note for me. If any of you kag natakot ako sa upuan mo. Sabi ko ba't may suot siyang
What
damit?
do you mean?
I
No,
got
no. There's
yeah,
like a
yeah, I
doctor
got scared.
skull.
Yeah, I got scared. I got scared. Anyway, if anyone still wants to tell me that Justin Brownlee is undeserving of being the import or being the naturalized player of Gilas Pilipinas, if any of you want to tell me that, I just I just do not believe you know anything about basketball at this point. Okay, like if you tell me that, we can make the argument that he is older, but aside from that, you cannot tell me he does not deserve to be our naturalized player. He has. There were times where you were in the ashes, and this man brought you into the light.
The China game talaga. Like, I
Yeah,
can't forget.
I
That
will
Asian
never forget the
games.
China game. Yeah.
Ibang klase. Napatawag ka pa sa akin. Napanood mo ba? Oo
Yeah.
nga.
Tapos
Napanood
gagi,
ko.
yun yung, one of my favorite parts of that China video is si Coach Chard Del Rosario. I think that was Coach Richard. When the camera pans to him, he's jumping up and down
Di ba sila ni,
like
ni Boss Al? Silang dalawa
oh,
yan eh.
like they were like 4 years old. They looked like they were 4 years old at the time, dude. They were literally like clapping their hands like that, going, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it's if you want to talk to me about it, if you want to go and have a conversation with me about it of why Justin Brownlee does not deserve to be our naturalized player, go ahead. You have my IG right there, dude.
You have my
Let's
IG.
talk. Let's
Actually,
talk.
by the way, Mar, out of topic, no? Pero maraming maraming may gusto ng basketball hoop mo dyan. Uy, nasaan yung ano, yung Goku yung
On the
ano na yan
hoop.
ni Mario. Oh,
The hoop,
I think
yeah,
a
yeah.
few like 5 to 10 comments. Okay, yung basketball ano na yan ni Mario. So, just a
Same
random
setup also,
comment.
also room, guys. Kaya
Oh, they like it. I'm like, oh,
Yeah. Don't worry.
wala kaming commission link for that one, pero thank you na lang.
May bola din yan na maliit.
Di ba nga
Hindi ko
nalalagay mo
andun
minsan?
malayo. Malayo yung bola eh. Anyway, so yeah, anybody wants to talk to me about it? Let's go, talk to me. I will defend Justin Brownlee being our naturalized player for all of these tournaments until somebody genuinely unless Justin Brownlee himself gets too old or unless he says that I don't think I can do it anymore, you guys cannot give me the argument that he does not deserve to be this because he is basically at this point he is Gilas Filipinas. Okay, like no ifs
As of
ands buts
now,
about
he is
it.
Gilas
He is
Pilipinas.
Gilas
Benny
Filipinas.
Boatwright is down with an injury. We
Yeah,
don't know yet kailan siya babalik. It's supposed to be Benny na konti inaano na. But I think Achilles injury ata si Benny
I
Benny
forgot.
Boatwright's Achilles injury. But and the fact na ito na realize rin natin how huge Kai Soto is, Mario,
Yeah,
dito sa team
yeah,
natin. Na how much he's really a centerpiece. Hindi na lang siya just Kai Soto. He changes a lot of things for us.
yeah, yeah. Anyway, uh,
Anyway, yun lang naman.
see you guys on.
Go Gilas against New Zealand. We're gonna
Yeah,
have another episode.
yeah. Hopefully, I mean, just stay positive, dude. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, go
Um,
Gilas Go
let's just
Gilas.
hope.
Kung gusto ko lang pumunta ng
Let's
New
just hope
Zealand
no
din.
one gets hurt. Just hope no one gets hurt, man. You know, that's all that matters. Just hope no one gets
Mm.
hurt. Um, hopefully we see a healthy Gilas soon. And at the end of it, hopefully we just continue to grow the program in the same way. I've made my thoughts. I made my points. You've made your points. Like at the end of the day, we're all just fans, right? Like
Yeah.
we are all just fans of the game.
And I think
We all just
na-spoil
want
tayo
them.
sa mga past wins nila no? Na-spoil tayo dun sa
100%.
in a way.
100%.
Kasi that's the
But
pero yun yung ano expectation setting na ito yung kaya natin.
yeah,
So,
but I think we need to be real. Also, just a little insert lang.
ayun nga may mga injuries, may mga
Didn't we expect this um
No, I didn't
after
No,
after
prior
ano?
entering this game, pag ano expect mo? When Kai went down to Chinese Taipei, hindi mo
No,
naman in-expect na matatalo tayo ng Chinese Taipei.
when we couldn't win a single game in that tournament.
No, we
When
won one. We won against
yeah, but we
Qatar.
barely won it.
Yeah, hinabol pa yun.
Yeah, we
Hindi,
barely won
ako
it.
kasi nung time na yun, iniisip ko na si Coach, di ba, tago na yan. Papahinga niya na. 3 straight days, 3 straight games. So,
Mhm.
iniisip ko, for me, non-bearing kasi, no, I mean, bro, 3 straight games, 3 straight days. So, iniisip ko, yung minutes na yun, more of ano lang, get their legs under them,
Yeah.
papawis lang. But, yun nga, it's
No, I
more
get you.
malaki talagang bagay na walang kaya. And yung
Yeah.
mga issues ng team nga, which is the shooting, perimeter defense, which is not talked about as much. We give a lot of threes. We've been going
Mhm.
under the screens.
We
Nalilate tayo sa
talked about that
rotation.
before. We don't understand. I just don't really understand it. Like,
Mm.
I don't want to delve back into all those negative things. It's past me now.
Okay, well, I'm in the New Zealand na para. Okay, let's get ready for New Zealand. And
Yeah,
when is that? 23 in 23, 3 days.
in 3 days.
Sunday.
Yeah. Oh, on a Sunday. Nice church day. We got.
Oh, matagal na.
Let's pray in the morning, cry in the evening. That's how it'd be, I guess, on
So
Sunday.
ano yun, no? Panalo tayo. Why not, di ba? KQ with
Yeah.
30. KQ
Hey,
30, Carl Tamay with
hey, yeah.
25, JB with 15.
Jamie.
Give the keys to KQ. You are
Yeah.
the offense now, Kevin Cabral.
Hey, guys, I don't know. There has to be something behind the scenes, right? Maybe he doesn't pass the ball enough. I don't know.
I don't. I feel like he passes too much. Like, yeah.
I don't know, man. Like you can't tell me this guy can't play basketball. He's the
Is didn't he
UAAP
score
MVP.
like 36 in Korea?
Guys,
Did we just go para
he's the
career niya lang sa
UAAP
Korea?
MVP.
But
He's
then
a
again,
talent in Korea.
that's close to FIBA. That's FIBA rules, diba?
Yeah,
KBL is
like what
FIBA.
is happening, man?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
whatever.
can't say much kasi di natin nakikita yung trainings and stuff. So
Yeah, whatever, dude. Like, oh, whatever. But end of the day, I'm gonna support it, win or lose. It's the country we choose or something like that. I don't know.
tignan
Yeah.
lagi Ateneo, ano. All right. As always, guys, for those on Spotify, follow, 5-star rating, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. See you all next time. Peace.